This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm delighted to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on reading some melodies together that are written in tablature notation. That's what this particular lesson series is all about. So far in the lesson series, we've mainly read melodies that stay on the top 3 strings of the guitar and within the first 4 frets of the guitar, including those open strings. Here in this video, we're going to start working with the lower strings as well. So we'll do some exercises working on strings 4, 5, and 6 in addition to the higher strings. And then we'll play some melodies, 4 different melodies together that will stay on the top 4 strings of the guitar. So we'll start working just a little bit with that 4th string in our melodies. The next few videos will especially focus on getting that 4th string in, and then we'll progress into videos that use the 5th string and the 6th string, and we'll have all 6 strings that we'll be using for our melodies. So it's going to be great. This video does accompany the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. So in that book, we'll be starting on page 51. We'll be on pages 51, 52, and 53. We'll be starting with exercises 67 and 68. Those kind of help us get oriented with where to read those tablature notes on those lower strings. And then we'll be on over to page 52 where we will do songs 69, 70, 71, and 72. It's going to be super fun. Before we jump into those songs, just jamming, you, me, and the band, let's go ahead and warm up a little bit with these lower strings. So, several videos ago, I talked through some exercises that we worked on in getting our fingers working on those high strings. Let's go ahead and look at some exercises. Same sort of thing that'll get our fingers working on the lower strings and just kind of get us coordinated. When we're in the first position, we've talked about this before, our index finger is going to play the notes in the 1st fret. Middle is going to play the notes in the 2nd, ring is going to play the notes in the 3rd, and pinky is going to play the notes in the 4th. So that really helps us get our fingers ready for positional playing, which sets us up for when we're playing all along the fretboard. It also helps us get just down the technique of getting all those fingers working, which is really important. But when we start playing positionally along the fretboard, if we've done our work, sort of our homework, our due diligence on getting down, playing in first position with all 4 fingers, then it makes it really easy as we start coming up the fret, or I should say much, much easier than if we've been jumping around with 1 or 2 fingers. So, as we do these exercises, we want to be diligent at that. And remember that we use the tips of our fingers and we just play the notes right behind the middle fret bar. 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters, kind of as close as you can without getting on top of that metal fret bar, and you will get a good tone. So here's an exercise. We'll take and start on the low 6th string, play the open string, then we'll do the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, and then come back down. 3, 2, 1, open. So this is a great exercise. We'll take this exercise and go across all 6 strings. So we go ready, and we have open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. And then on the next string, open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. Then on to the next, open, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. Then on to the 3rd string. Then on to the 2nd string. And on to that top string. You could go back down, you can do it at different tempos. If that was too fast for you, you should pause the video and work that at a slower tempo. It's also great to do that in reverse. So if we start with our pinky and come down 4, 3, 2, 1, open, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go ready and 4, 3, 2, 1, open, 1, 2, 3, 4, and next string. Next string. Next string. Next string. Next string. And you could return down if you'd like to. We've done some other types of exercises on the top strings. If you haven't done it before, you could start working on those on the lower strings. As we continue through the lesson series, I'll pop a few more exercises in there for these lower strings as we start to get used to playing notes on them. But here in this video, let's go ahead and play the exercises and songs that we have here in the book that we're going to jam together, you, me, and the band. So we're going to jam together on, I should say. So we'll start off with number 67 and number 68. These ones will just help you get oriented as you're reading a mix of those high strings, now having those low strings entered in as well. So it's very exercise oriented, kind of doing some of the similar types of things that we just did with our exercise, only it's a little bit more specifically written there. So we'll do 67 and 68, and then we'll flip on over to pages 52 and 53, and we'll do those other songs, those 4 songs that we've got, 69, 70, 71, and 72. Each of these is going to happen at 2 different tempos like usual, a slower tempo and a faster tempo. So you can play it right along with that slower tempo. If you're getting caught and not able to play some parts accurately, then you just want to pause that video and work those spots. That helps us develop our playing ability much faster than if you kind of just fumble through spots playing right along with the video the whole time. So stop and work things that are hard, and then play along with the video again. Get those slower tempos down, work at the faster tempo. It's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and jam together on these videos. Okay, awesome. I hope you are having fun with this. As we continue through the lesson series with the next few videos that come out, we're going to continue to read melodies that use that fourth string in addition to the top three strings now. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.